Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
AI Rapid Cache Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we'll talk about this training program called Rapid Cache, AI Rapid Cache. So this is an AI Rapid Cache Review. And right now we are on the sales page where it says first day $1,000, second day $5,000, third day $11,000, all for a confused newbie. Goodbye Amazon, Facebook, Pinterest, goodbye TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, X, etc. We don't need you anymore because now we have got something better. We are in charge now. We got rid of the bosses, and in fact, we get paid not to work. AI has changed everything forever. It's strange new fun world, and the royalties are really wonderful. Okay. So, looks like they have forgotten to mention what this method is all about. And there's no demo video on the sales page, okay? So, the sales page is all white and there is some text here which you can read obviously, right? And they are saying they have a money back guarantee as well. Refund policy for how many days, I do not know. It says you can get the refund, but within how many days, I don't know. So it says within, please allow 72 hours for your refund. So it's the refund time after they process it, but it doesn't say that in how many days you can request a refund, like 1 week or 10 days or 1 month, I don't know. But yeah, so $18 it is, okay. And what I can understand from this is that you can get paid for the royalties, okay. So probably you will be creating something using AI. Maybe you will be creating some image or content. I have no idea because they don't show any demo video. So for me, in particular, the way I deal online is that I will never buy anything online if I do not see the demo video of that product or service. So for me, I will never buy this because you could care to show the demo video of your training, of your program, or what you're talking about. No matter how much secret method you have, still there is a chance that you can record a demo video and talking about few things about that particular method or concept you have in mind. You don't have to expose everything if you think it's a secret thing. You don't really have to expose everything, but still a demo video is required. Otherwise, people like me will never turn into a customer for you. So again here, one more thing which I cannot digest is that, somebody making 1K, then 5K, and on third day they are making 11K, which means $11,000 they are saying. Probably they are making within 3 days, okay? I cannot swallow and digest that. If somebody is making that much money, then why the fuck will they care about giving you that method in $18 only? Answer me that. So you don't have to just start being a herd of cattle, H-E-R-D, herd of cattle, like sheep, cows, okay, and buffaloes. You don't have to just go and follow the crowd. Think from your brain first, use it logically. If somebody's making $1,000, $2,000, $10,000 per day, who the fuck cares about giving you that method in $18? Let's not talk about somebody else. Let's talk about you, yourself, okay? Let's say you have a method, any method in the world. If you have any method whatsoever and you are making $1,000 with that method, let's say forget about in a day, let's say in a week, if you make $1,000 per week online from any such method, will you really give away that method to somebody in $18 only? I don't think so, never. You will never tell anybody about that method in only $18 unless your trick is to get these $18 first. Okay, so, no matter how much you try to get attracted towards the shiny objects or you want to see dreams, there's nothing wrong in seeing dreams, but the problem is you can see the dreams for free when you sleep in the night. You don't have to pay for that. Seeing dreams is absolutely free, okay? So I'm not saying that you will not learn anything or this. No, it's not a scam. It's like knowledge. They will talk about that. You can create something using AI and then you can sell it. And if somebody else keeps buying, then you keep earning royalties. I believe that's the method. It would have been more sensible if if they have shown their own demo video, okay? So first thing, I will not buy because they don't care about showing the demo videos. I will never buy such things from anybody. If you can't talk about your product or service, you lost me as a customer. And then second is, obviously, if somebody is making thousands of dollars from some system, nobody's going to give you that system in 18 hours. Trust me. If I am making money from any system, the real money, I will never sell that system in $20. Never means never. Okay. And you will do the same, even if you are making, let's say, $100 from any system per day, you will sell that system for $20,000 at least. So let's face the reality. Nobody cares about anybody. First problem or first concern is that they are here to make money for themselves. As you can see here, 24,000 sales, 25 products. Okay, so they have been making money for themselves by selling courses, which is, I guess, I don't know what to say, whom to blame, whom not to, but I think you can sell, you can sell your courses because courses is all about knowledge transfer. Okay. But anyways, if you buy this AI Rapid Cache, you may or you may not find the link below my YouTube video. So probably you will not. If you find the link below my video, you can click on it and come to this AI Rapid Cache. And if you believe gambling, I will call this as gambling, okay? You know what? Let's be honest, it's free. Being honest, being truthful is always free. There's no charge. If I am going to be truthful to you, I will not lose any money from my bank account. My bank balance will still be the same. My bank account balance will still be the same if I tell you the truth. And the truth is $18 are only $18 and nobody makes money in $18. I have a headphone on my head. That headphone, for example, tomorrow if you have to come on YouTube to make videos, your headphone will cost you more than $20. So what are you talking about? You make shit in $18, man. You make nothing in $18, okay? Get it. But if you go and follow dreams and take gamble and, you see, okay, let's find out what this method is all about. If you gamble your $18, no problem, go and buy and try your luck, okay? But I'm a hard worker, I'm not a gambler. So I know a few methods which certainly makes me money with the guarantee. And I don't have to come back and launch like 25 methods that, you go and try this today and you go and try something tomorrow. No. I have certain fixed methods which makes me money and all I do is rinse and repeat. For example, obviously, YouTube is one of the methods which I do. So if you go below my video in the description, you will find the second link. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis is all about making YouTube videos like me. So if you want to work on YouTube manually and make these videos and get your YouTube channel monetized, you can check out Traffic Jarvis. And the first link says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Forex trading is like you buy low and sell high to this graph here. It's a currency trading, buy low, sell high, sell low. We do this on automation by using a software. More details coming shortly. So I guess AI Rapid Cache, it's a secret. And what I cannot digest is nobody will sell you that secret in 18. So if this thing is true, if these numbers are true, 1K, second day, 5K, third day, 11K, then this number is not true, which you see here on your screen, okay? If you can actually make this much money on one day, second day, third day, then that method will never be sold to you in $18. So there's always a catch. And if you want to get back to the reality is that you have to work for your money or else possess a skill, okay? Anyways, in the end, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to check out these methods, then watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And if you want to support and contribute, you make little super thanks. Now, click on the first link here, says make money on autopilot with Forex trading. Now, Forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here. But if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay. So again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you've verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about, okay? I cannot explain everything right now in this video. So you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those 2 videos till the end. And after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype. Or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype, okay? Do not contact me before watching those 2 videos till the end. Otherwise, I will block you. Don't contact me without without doing your homework, okay? If you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those 2 videos, and then you can get back to me, because this certificate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine. I will be setting up the graph. I will be installing the software. I will be giving the settings to the software. Everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized. And in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my videos. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything, okay? So before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers, okay? You need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go in and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries. And you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send that emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far. And when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my, on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission, okay? So these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video. So whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers, okay? And then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes, okay? Now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action. Because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me, okay? The same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days. And after that, your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money, okay? And you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required, okay? And again, these numbers will change. These numbers will change. These numbers will grow because, again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future, it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future, okay? All right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says, get Kiss Tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss Tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to buy these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this Kiss Tracking training. And this Kiss Tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis, okay? And then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email, be my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person from one sale, okay? So if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month, okay? So this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have, all the training inside too, but it is good if you have some experience already. And experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost, okay? So this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for the rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free. And it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses, okay? So all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work, okay? So again, in the end, go and check everything. And thank you so much for watching the video so far. And subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel. So you got to do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful, super, comments here. And thank you for watching the video again, I guess. I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye-bye, tai-tai. That means tada, bye-bye.